Welcome to Future Wheels. Today's automotive news brings an important update for electric vehicle buyers. Chevrolet has officially confirmed that the revived 2027 Chevy Bolt will have a limited production run of just 18 months, making this comeback both exciting and short-lived. General Motors has already begun production of the new Bolt at its Fairfax Assembly Plant in Kansas City, and the first vehicles are now reaching dealerships. The decision to bring the Bolt back was driven by strong demand for an affordable, practical electric car, a space where the original Bolt built a loyal following. However, GM has also made it clear that this return comes with a deadline. By mid-2027, the Fairfax plant is scheduled to transition to building other models, including the gas-powered Chevrolet Equinox and a next-generation Buick compact SUV. This shift is part of GM's broader strategy to strengthen U.S. manufacturing while adapting to changing trade policies and market conditions. Despite its short production window, the 2027 Chevy Bolt is expected to play a key role in Chevrolet's EV lineup over the next year and a half. With a starting price of around $28,995, it remains one of the most affordable electric vehicles on sale, positioning it as an accessible entry. While EV adoption continues to grow, General Motors, like many automakers, is carefully balancing electric and internal combustion production. The limited run of the 2027 Bolt reflects that balancing act, as GM prioritizes flexibility and long-term manufacturing efficiency. In short, the Chevy Bolt is back, but not for long. Buyers interested in this affordable electric option will need to move quickly, as production is set to end by mid-2027. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Future Wheels, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest automotive news and EV updates. See you in the next one.